I'm assuming for mic audio. I'm assuming we're in on and going. But I gotta fly over here to the Apache Longbow. We are gonna. Yeah. Alright, welcome to today's video. Just ignore my SCP avatar. I just acquired it so we can do artillery shit. We're learning to fly the H-64 Apache Long guy, so longbow for the very particular people out there. We all love this shit. We all love this plane. I'm gonna offend someone. I'm gonna offend someone one day saying, "It's not a plane, it's a helicopter." Like, brother, I get you're mad, but I don't have anything to relate to your problems. Your problems are simply non-exclusive and not my problem. If you want to bring it up to my associate, please go to my associate Discord and you will be able to talk to him. Which I don't have one. I don't have an associate. If you were wondering, I just blew myself up. Fuck. Bro. Oh. Hell's Basement? What the fuck? I'm busy doing something. I'm flying something. My favorite plane, to be exact. I swear I just said it again. Yeah. Beautiful helicopter. In the meantime, though, how you all doing? I hope you're doing good. Like the third time we played VRC. It's the first time we've done a little bit more VR chat content. Well, we haven't done a lot of VR chat content lately because due to syncing issues. But if moment you can join up, say hello, and play with us, like come hang out. We don't have anything to hide, like brother. I'm not obviously going to turn on the music because the music is copyright. Found that out in the last 200 videos we done that I cannot post due to copyright. But we're not flying the AH today. Well, not really today, but like flying it right now. We're gonna come back later though and fly it later. Alright, there's the civilian airfield. Alright, we're popping to there. Civilian airfield. This is Bravo 11 actual. We are coming in over your airspace. We'll be flying about at an AOA of 27 at 212 miles an hour. Alright, sorry, we're demonstrating realistic ATC and with helicopters. So, yeah. But if you want to do this with me, you can come hang out with me and the boys. We do a lot of fun things. You ready? You destroy your speed. You're not really supposed to do a rolling takeoff, but a rolling landing, though. This one's called a slow land. You're really not really supposed to do this, but... Probably sounds majestic as hell. I'm not about... I'm not... Yeah, okay, get out. Yeah, I'm not about to die, am I? Proceeds to die. Yep, I'm about to die. So, you all like the Blackhawk, correct? Yeah, nah. I'm pretty sure no one likes the Blackhawk in this game. But, there's a little bird right there. This little bird is the one you guys saw in a thumbnail I posted on on one of my videos of it crashed on top of the longbow. I wonder where that video came from. Me. I grabbed the thumbnail off of my headset, which was not fun, but a thing to consider. I hate flying this because of open things to consider, but overall, this is a good helicopter. Overall, this is a helicopter that I 100% recommend for first-time flyers in VR chat. If you are now just starting your VR chat flight career, don't start it in planes. Don't start in planes. Start with helicopters, because the moment you master helicopters, you master planes. Because the moment I mastered planes was when I didn't know how to master helicopters. Now I'm mastered at both, and I'm able to come in and do a flip landing. Not saying I'm a good pilot. I'm gonna say that now. I'm not a very good pilot. I know how. Oh shit! Nope. Getting out. I'm not about to die because if you have your world volume at like 100 and hundreds, actually decreases the lag a lot. We ain't flying that. No, I ain't gonna fly that one. You all might remember this from a video of the Fortunate Son video that my friend Midnight posted, or not posted, but played stuff. Like, I played it on the channel before. I didn't post the video because I saved it as a draft. I misclicked, but you know what? Yeah, some shit fun. This shit fun. I love doing it. So come hang out. I'm not live right now, but I'm gonna go live in an hour. Because we're gonna do, after that it dies, we're gonna go full live. Come hang out. I'm gonna change the title though to funny shenanigans. Come hang out things, but maneuvers you're not supposed to do. In the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, you're not supposed to do a 14 backflip. That thing's the hardest thing to fly here. Actually, I'm gonna go over to my helicopter that I also love. I mastered this. You can master different helicopters. My friend that is an actual Blackhawk pilot mastered the Blackhawk instantly. I mastered this because I actually know how to land, and not because it's the Shepherd Chopper. If you don't know what the Shepherd Chopper is, you've never played Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 2009 version, because it's that helicopter that he arrives in. Also, I've lost civilian airfield. Where is it? I'm not. I don't have brain rot. I'm gonna send a no. There it is. Like I say, chat, but that's only when I'm talking to my chat. I know the reasoning. This is Bravo 1. This is Spartan Actual coming in at an AOA of 8. 250 miles an hour, decreasing speed immediately. I love doing tactical shit. I love doing this. This is like my entire fucking life. And, yes, I do curse like a lot in my videos, but it's because I'm proving a point. Get my gear down. I want to lose my gear. I ain't gonna say Spartan Admiral because Navy ranks. My cousin's in the Navy and I've blown his mind before. Blew his mind. Should we give us show force? Should we give a little bit of show force on the way down? Probably not. We ain't gonna do that. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She down! All the way back. Ramp! Alright, troops are being deployed. Well, actually, nah. Doing cargo run. I love this thing. This is my favorite helicopter because two door gunners, both side. Pilot, you have co-pilot and a pilot. Then you can fit how many troops? Like one, two, wait, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can fit about 4 in here. So you can fit 4 troops plus the gunners plus the pilot and co-pilot, and you're set. I like using my left hand. That's why I use my That's why I use my dominant hand. Never. I mean, never use my right hand. Never like using my right hand. Or not my right hand. Fuck. My dominant is my right hand. Fuck. I hate using my left hand. There, I said it correctly. But yeah, you guys would definitely like me for my helicopter content. I would definitely love doing more helicopter content, but I can't do more helicopter content because of YouTube's restrictions and on piloting, mostly guns. So I can't show guns anymore. Well, not anymore. Fuck. I keep saying anymore like it's a bad thing. I can show guns, but it's limited to what I have. Okay. Make it. Okay. How y'all doing today? I hope you're all doing perfectly fine, because I'm probably not going to post it for a week. Until I at least unless I resync, which I could probably resync it now. Make sure my thing is engaged. Initial D. Alright, this is where we're going to end the video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.